Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 60 and I'm going to show you how to set up the wireless charging correctly. On the Motorola Razr 60, wireless charging lets you charge without plugging in a cable, when using a compatible wireless charging pad of course. Proper placement is important for reliable charging. So at first you need to fold your phone. Now I place it here, and here I've got my wireless charging pad. You need to connect your wireless charging pad to a power adapter and plug it into the power outlet. Now you need to place your charging pad on a flat, stable surface. Now you need to fold your Razr 60 as I said. It needs to be closed like I do have here, and now place it on the pad. Now it will start charging. Here, as you can see, the screen needs to be positioned to the top, and you need to wait for the charging indicator or battery animation to appear. If wireless charging doesn't start, you need to try to reposition the phone. Move it slightly up, down, or sideways on the pad until the charging indicator appears. Remove fake cases, metal rings, magnetic accessories, or wallet attachments which can interfere with charging. Check that the charger is connected properly and supports the required wireless charging standard. Make sure the phone back and charging pad are clean and free of debris. Try another compatible wireless charger to rule out a charger issue. So that should be it. Goodbye, have a nice day.